Welcome to Christ College, Riewkhmat. Established in 2022 by the Carmelite Sisters of St. Teresa, we offer a 4-year undergraduate program in subjects like economics, education, English, geography, history, khasi, political science, and sociology. Boost your learning with VAC, SEC, MDC, and AEC courses, or gain practical skills through vocational training in tailoring, embroidery, and mushroom cultivation. At Christ College, learning is joyful, holistic, and life-shaping. Admissions open now. Visit our website or contact the college office to know more. Christ College, where dreams take flight.
Yaka National Seminar Baarsngi Balapalong Daga Center for Historical Research Synod College Lapli de Umintri Rangba Ukonrat Ki Sangma Haka Katsan Tarik Ujemang Kipang Gaba Kiriu Shampang Haka Jingtep History Kinyatai Bat Iathir Halor Ki Mati Balapeno Baha de Kinoyalam Kiriu Shampang Haka Thok Qatar Kasenchar Khadar Ki Kampen Roy Ki Kam Shakri Paipa Kapang Pedeng Jongkani Ka National Seminar Kalong Kidinjat Jong U Ha Khubor Kinong Tei na Meghalaya ya ke India Bathamai, his footprints in time, trailblazers of Meghalaya in the making on modern to India. Umintri Rangpa Ukonrat Ki Sangma Ulalong Ukongsan, but U Dr. W.R. Karluki MP Karaja Sabha Ulalong Usembut Kongsan. Haka jingkren pli Umintri Rangpa Ulayro ik Synod College kebala perkat bat pusan ban pelong ya kini kejingathir halor ki Rangpa na Meghalaya ki belatei ya ke perkat perdan jongkari India Bathamai. Ulakan tu ikinong peniat banlum bat bo jing tho hakikot ikini kijing yathir bat jing yatai kenang bikilong din kinyok ban puli bat bertho bot hadin habot hakini kesengi lali abu romru ikilong din jong kitu kirangpa kibala peno ialah kasap kapong ban penpo ia kejela bat ekari India haki baha bikila peno akajing em jongki.